Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make wings with buffalo sauces. For marination, add 1 egg. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Mix everything well. Now add wings. Now mix it. Make sure that mixture stick with wings. Refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's prepare for coating. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon chicken powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix them well. Add 1 glass of water in other bowl. Now take 1 piece of wings. Coat it in the dry mixture. Now dip it in the water. Now again coat in dry mixture. With the same process, prepare all the wings. Let's fry wings. Take deep pan and add oil. Once the oil is heated, add wings. Fry wings on low-medium flame. Otherwise, they will remain uncooked from inside. It will take maximum 10 to 12 minutes. Their color indicates they are ready. Take them out of oil. For buffalo sauces, add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic in 1 tablespoon oil. After a few seconds, add 2 tablespoons chili sauce. Now add 1 tablespoon hot sauce. Now add 1 teaspoon sugar. Add fried wings. This sauce is for 6 to 8 wings. Coat the sauce on wings. They are looking delicious. Wings are ready. Take them into a dish. Do try this recipe and share your reviews. Thanks for watching.